Of course you have targets for your business. How do you plan to meet those targets? How do you adjust your plan if your targets change? If you are using Dynamics 365 Business Central and Power BI, your plans are probably in Excel. With Paris as your tech platform partner, your plan lives in a concise business model, accessible to you anytime in Excel. As a user, you can view data by segments or whatever pertains to you at the moment. Enjoy automatic aggregations, putting our calculation engine to work for you. And of course, the Power BI dashboards. With Paris, you'll have a combined view of actuals and forecasts, distinct compared to most BI tools, which only show actuals. Here, we'll put that number back to something reasonable, and we can see it reflected immediately upon a refresh in Power BI. This data is live and dynamic. The dashboard reflects updates made in Excel, passed through seamlessly and not through a batch upload. Featuring bidirectional calculations, you can plug numbers into your planning model from Excel. This planning model is directly connected to Dynamics Business Central data. Write data into your plan with confidence that your business rules are held tightly together on the level of your model, as opposed to formulas in the cells of Excel. Keep your team dynamically connected in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, Excel, and Power BI with Paris-enabled connectivity and collaboration between platforms and users.